Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to localize this ringtone section, and as you can see, the ringtone for incoming calls is divided between two different SIM cards, so you can set totally another ringtone for the first one and different for another one. Let me show it to you how to do it with the first SIM card. It does not really matter. After tapping on it, we'll be transferred to the list of all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list we've got this option Add Ringtone, so if you've got any files, for example downloaded from the internet or recorded, they will appear right there and you'll be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me choose something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to basically tap on it. And thanks to it you can hear it and actually decide whether you like it or not. Just do it with all other options, and if you will decide that you want to set this option, so only way in my case, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.